When the Imam comes, then Jaziratul Arab will be liberated. And that's goodbye to Dajjal's kingdom of Saudi Arabia. You will re-enter the garbage bin from which you emerged in the first place. When the Jaziratul Arab is liberated, you no longer have any Saudi kingdom of Saudi Arabia. That's garbage. It is Jaziratul Arab. It is Hijaz and Najd. When that happens, then the Khilafah state is restored. And when the Khilafah state is restored in Mecca, that is the first significant, game-changing challenge to their modern system of nation states.